Welcome to 20 minutes satisfying video working and exciting factory machines. Ingenious tool, Admirable worker. Get ready for non-stop precision and pure mechanical satisfaction you won't want to miss. Firefighters use blowers to clear fire lines and remove flammable debris. A massive high-clearance truck glides over the field, hauling heavy loads with surprising A ball bearing reduces rotational friction and supports radial and axial loads. Please handle my order carefully.
600一天。
Hard work compounds like interest. Keep going.
Tube expanders widen metal pipes to create joints, bends, or custom shapes. It's fine to look, but protect your eyes. Wear goggles. Laser cleaning wooden brush handles. This machine really does. What does the mask on his chin even do? The world's largest 360-degree LED screen, a stunning energy. Oil pressing, producing virgin oil for the vegetable oil industry, medicine, and food. Next-level precision, automatically misting mosquitoes to protect. How fabric bags and fabric envelopes are printed. She drives that rickshaw so smoothly, she looks like a pro. How fabric bags and fabric envelopes are printed. This is the kind of content that resets your brain. B-32 Theater in Sao Paulo, Brazil. An impressive engineering design. Strange, but effective. A mechanical garlic peeler processes large batches quickly and hygienically. This mini floating boat waters plants using the pond it sits in. Smart farming. This is the most popular type of machine today. From rough to smooth in seconds, where precision meets innovation. Watching the mortar pour down and get smoothed out is incredibly satisfying. Good to see the fence installed. Now it just needs proper edging and protection. A low-pressure irrigation system spreads water evenly, keeps soil moisture balanced, and helps remove PPF from a car bumper with heat gun plus air duct. No glue residue. How to remove PPF from a car bumper with heat gun plus air duct. No glue residue.
This is a reminder that mastery requires trust in the process.
A large electromagnet lifting piles of metal bottle caps and other ferrous materials. This machine makes handling fallen leaves much easier. The world's largest 360-degree LED screen, a stunning, energetic visual experience. How chalk is made, a simple but fascinating process. A printer that transfers decorative patterns onto bowls and other curved surfaces. Explore the latest tufting guns and frames, innovative, precise, and efficient. Next-level precision, automatically misting mosquitoes to protect crops like a pro. From rough to smooth in seconds, where precision meets innovation. Explore the latest tufting guns and frames, innovative, precise, and efficient. Oil pressing, producing virgin oil for the vegetable oil industry. With this trimmer, even the densest forest doesn't stand a chance. This rice harvester cuts and bundles with clean, smooth precision. This robotic mower cuts the lawn by itself, no supervision needed. Lazy Sundays just leveled up. Traditional oil extraction using a hydraulic or mechanical press. cleaning drain pipes with a tire, an unusual but effective method. Open it like a Pokemon deck. This looks exactly like cat food. So satisfying. It feels organized, quiet, and really soothing. It's all about timing. Don't forget to support us by hitting subscribe. Watching the mortar pour down and get smoothed out is incredibly satisfying. Wrapped tight and sealed in plastic. Dizzy to watch, but extremely efficient. This machine makes handling fallen leaves much easier. A multicolor sewing and stringing machine with an automatic cutting embroidery system. Feels quiet and controlled. B32 Theater in Sao Paulo, Brazil, an impressive engineering design. A high-speed bale wrapper spins and seals corn silage bales to lock in